Well, good evening, everyone. We are here this evening to sell this property. You've seen Josh and Jenna. I'm now feeling even more pressure to see a result. He's going to be a married man. So I do need to sell this property this evening. 37 Cameron Street, Ballycourt. Josh and Jenna's who would like to make me a start. I'm here to help you to buy the property, but you have to bid. I have to know you're interested. Can I say an opening bid at $900,000 anywhere?
Wait and watch them go. I'll go 750.
Oh.
Come on, Ruth. Play with me.
I would love to play with you, but I'm going to put in a vendor bid at $900,000 and I'll take a rise of 20. Vendor bid with me at $900,000, looking for a rise of 20. At $900,000, bids with me. As I said, you need to bid to buy. I'm here to help you. Can't do anything unless you bid.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I feel sick.
Tell him to put that pedal up. Lucky 13. At $900,000, do I see a rise of 20? At $900,000, bids with me. Vendor bid. Round me out to 920 if you like. At $900,000, vendor bid. Looking for a rise of 20. I will have to pass the property in if I don't get any bidding. If you want to be first in the queue, you need to show your hand so that we can deal with you. We're at $900,000. Can I take 10? Are you sure? What good buying would it be? Do the figures. Would rent out for about $1,200 a week. This is it. First call at $900,000. Second call at $900,000. Third and final call. 1 second. Phoning a friend. You can do whatever you like, Frank. I'm happy to wait.
Phone a friend. Of course, it's any more.
901. This gentleman holds the highest bid at $901,000. So at $901,000, I'll give you all the opportunity to join in. I'm calling it down. First call. Second call. Third and final call. Are you all out, done, silent at $901,000? Well then, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be passing the property in, and thank you for attending this auction. Thank you.